Hello friends, welcome to this new course on Angular 20. In this video, we are going to install Angular CLI and we will create our first project on Angular. So this is the version 20. You need to go to the website angular.dev and this is the version 20. Here we need to click on docs, and if I scroll down, or let me just click on installation. And if I scroll down, so this is the command which we need to copy. Okay, so you can copy it from here by clicking the icon, and we need to go to terminal. Okay, either you go to terminal, or if you have Visual Studio Code installed, so let's just open that. Okay, so I was having just this project running, so let's open a new window. Go to file and click on new window, or maybe if you open the Visual Studio Code, so it will open this window. Okay, and here you need to click on control and backtick key. Okay, if you don't want to click control and backtick key, so either you can go to here you need to click on terminal, new terminal. Okay, so either way you can do it. So I usually do control and backtick key. Backtick key is a key which is above the tab key. Okay, so let's do it here only. So I have already copied the command and I have pasted. So npm install -g @angular/CLI. Let's hit enter. Or you can do it here as well. That's not a problem. Let me close this. Okay, this is done. Now, let's check the ng version. Okay, so here it is, Angular CLI, and we are on 20. Okay, so let me just clear this out. Okay, and then what is the instruction after that? So we need to create the first project on Angular. So what we have to do is we need to type ng space new and the name of the project. So here we can just take an example of my first Angular app. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to type ng. Okay, but before that, where I want to create this project. Okay, so that is also important. So basically on my desktop, I have a I have a folder called Angular. I have a folder called project. Okay, so I'll go to desktop. Okay, and inside you can also create the folder on your desktop, or maybe inside the D directory. Okay, wherever you feel comfortable. So I have already created a folder called project, and there is a folder called Angular project. Okay, so if I show you, that is my desktop projects, Angular projects, and this was the one project which I created. Now this is the second one. Okay, so now inside this Angular project, I already have a project called movie app. Okay, so now I want to create a new project that I'm going to give the name as my first Angular app. Okay, so let's do it. So ng new. Okay, and then we need to write the name of the project. So let me just copy this name, my first Angular app. Okay, let's keep this only, and let's hit enter. So would you like to share pseudonymous usage data about? Okay, just do yes. Do you want to create a? Okay, let's click yes. Do you want to create? Okay. Okay, CSS. Okay, I need CSS, right? So just click here. Do you want to enable server side? Just do yes. So now it is installing. And what else we need to do? Okay, then we need to go inside the folder, and then we can do npm start, or maybe we can do ng serve. Okay, let's see. Let's go inside the project. So cd my first Angular app. Let me just clear this out. And here we can do npm start, or we can do ng serve. Okay, ng, instead of serve, we can do s, and then we can do dash zero, sorry, dash o. So it will open in the default browser. Okay, whatever default browser you have, it will open in that. So let's try. Would you like to share? Okay. Okay, so this is my default browser, which is Chrome. So yeah, so it is opened here, and let's open the folder. Yeah. So click on, go to desktop, projects, Angular. This is the folder. Okay. So, yeah. Let me do control and backtick key. Okay. So let's do it again. Okay, I wanted to try npm start. Let me close this. Let me do control C, clear npm start. Okay. Okay, it is doing that same ng serve, but this time we need to copy this, or maybe you can just control and click, so it will open in that browser. So npm start is also fine, and ng s-o will also work. Okay. Press H plus enter. Okay. So yeah, we have successfully created our project on Angular 20. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.